Have you ever thought about being a certified makeup artist? Because today I am going to be talking about my personal experience in collaboration with Online Makeup Academy. So let me tell you a little bit about Online Makeup Academy. Online Makeup Academy is literally what it says. They are based in New York City. You're going to be learning about makeup through online. You will have an instructor, and at the end of the program you will have, of course, a certification and become a certified makeup artist. For me personally, I am still in the process of finishing up the course, which is I am so stoked, so excited to continue my learning. So let me tell you a little bit about them. You are actually going to be taking your course through online. You will be getting different modules, and you will also get a discount, a pro discount from different makeup brands that they're partnered with, especially if you're just starting out as a makeup artist and you're trying to build your kit, which is very good because nowadays you know how the makeup can be so expensive. Having to have those discounts will truly help you as you go along with your career as a certified makeup artist. And here are some of the lists of the makeup brands that they are partnered with. Pause to read. And also, you will have a one-on-one personal video guidance from your instructor or tutor, because for me, I believe there's always room for improvement. I totally believe in that. So having to have those guidance, it will help you learn and build more of your skills as a certified makeup artist. Also, I am going to be incorporating this makeup look that I am wearing right now. So if you wanted to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to be applying is the foundation. I'm going to do my face makeup first, and I will be using this Dear Dahlia Skin Paradise Sheer Foundation. And also, by the way, I'm going to use a corrector, just a Charlotte Tilbury corrector and concealer. Either you can put the corrector first over foundation. I mean, for me, I prefer this way. I use the foundation first, and then I'm going to be putting on the corrector. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying some powder, and this is the Mercier translucent powder. And I'm only going to be applying to the areas where I tend to get oily. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I am going to be applying some bronzer just to kind of contour my face. And I will be using this Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics just to kind of give a color. And by the way, guys, this look was inspired by Paulina. She did this makeup look to one of her models. The model has a different facial features than mine, so I kind of tweaked in a little bit. I had to do some corrections. So basically what you can do is you're just gonna have to start from here, like close to the root of helix of your ear, and then just point it towards to your mouth. That's where you can usually locate how to start off your contour. And I'm not gonna go all the way down. I'm just gonna have to go blend it. I'm gonna stop right off to the tip of my eyebrow. That's where I'm gonna stop with the contour. But usually what you can do is just basically blend. And I'm also going to contour my jawline. The only reason why I do this is because I wanted to kind of recede the appearance of my jaw. As you can tell, I have a wider jaw, but don't get me wrong, I love my jawline. And I also wanted to recede the appearance of my double chin. So I'm also going to be using some bronzer just to kind of hide it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I am going to be doing my eye makeup. I'm going to be applying first a white color, kind of like a translucent beige color eyeshadow, just to kind of have a base. So like I said, I'm just going to be tweaking it a little bit, but because the model has a different set of eyes compared to mine, so that's why I am tweaking it a little bit. But it's still the same method. And the next one is I am going to be applying this brown color to my crease. Just keep in mind that you're gonna have to keep on building up the color, because sometimes it's better to put a little bit and then just build up the color rather than having to apply a lot. And I'm also going to be using this a little darker brown shade because I wanted to define more of my crease. And also, if you're having a hard time finding your crease, what you can do is you just locate your eye socket depending on the set of your eyes. But for me, because I have a hooded lids, I wanted to create a defined crease. And then I'm going to be using a blending brush just to kind of blend the harsh lines. Just remember to do not over blend. And also because I wanted to kind of add more, a little bit more dark shadow, so I am going to be adding a little bit more darker shade of brown. I'm going to be applying it on the outer corner of my eye just to kind of give more definition. And then I'm just going to use a fluffy blending brush, and then I'm going to blend it again. Okay, so now I'm going to be combining two eyeshadow colors because I don't have the same product as what Paulina used for the model. But I found a similar color and I'm going to be using it from the two palettes that I have. I'm not going to go over to my crease because it's going to beat the purpose of applying that brown eyeshadow. So I'm only going to be applying on this right here. Okay, so the next one is I'm going to be applying my eyeliner. I'll be using a brown eyeliner for this makeup look. And by the way, I'm also going to be applying the same colors I've used to my lower lash line. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I am going to be adding some false eyelashes. You can totally skip this step, by the way, if you don't prefer to put some eyelashes. You could just go ahead and add some mascara and lipstick and you're done. But for now, I'm just going to be applying a little bit of mascara. Okay, so I'm going to be applying my false eyelashes and then I will be right back. By the way, I've almost forgot, I'm going to be applying mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to be using this Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight highlighter and I will be applying it on the high points of my cheekbones. So I'm just going to start off right here. As you can tell, I already have this dewiness or glow on this area and I'm just going to have to put on top of that. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying some lipstick and I will be using this Kylie Jenner lip kit. This is in the shade of Candy K. I will be using first a lip liner and I'm going to be applying it all over my lips just to make the lipstick last longer. Then I'll be using the liquid lipstick one. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I've already fixed my hair as well. So like I said, this makeup look was inspired by Paulina, although I kind of tweaked it a little bit. Personally, for me, what I like about this course is that you will also have a lifetime access even after you graduate. And you will also get a post-graduation mentorship. They are the only makeup course or online makeup course that will do a one-on-one video feedback. Also, the course covers skin tones, skin types, and different ethnicities, and which is, I think, it's a good benefit of having to learn those things and how to apply makeup on those facial features, which is very important. Actually, that's a very important part of your makeup journey. As for me, I didn't even know some of the things that I thought I knew already. Of course, if you're going to be working on with different people and different ethnicities, you're going to have to learn what specific products or specific methods on how to do their makeup. That's a great benefit of having to learn those things. The course will also include the post-COVID guidelines and sanitation, which I believe for me, that's a very important part, especially nowadays in our situation. We always have to make sure that we are practicing good sanitation and good hygiene. You don't want to go to a makeup artist that will have a dirty tools. So that's one important thing that you have to keep in mind as well. Like having to have that good hygiene and good sanitation is a must. So that's why it's a good benefit, and that is included with the advanced makeup programs. But for me, what I like about this course is that you will have to do it on your own pace at your own time. You don't need to rush. Like for myself, I'm still in the process of learning, but eventually I will be getting my certification as a certified makeup artist. Although I know how to apply makeup for myself, I still want to have that learning. I still want to have that knowledge. Learning these things can be a very great help and very beneficial beneficial for your makeup career. Personally, this advanced makeup program, it's like a additional knowledge because, you know, I've been doing makeup as well. This is something that I could add to my knowledge. I know there are tons of videos, beauty gurus out there that are so great, but it totally hits different once you apply makeup to others. Because for me personally, I can do makeup on myself, but it's completely different if you're going to be applying makeup to other people. So yeah, so for me, that's one great benefit of learning those methods of applying makeup. They're not only going to be incorporating the looks or the steps of how to achieve that makeup look, they also cover the marketing and business part. There are videos that they will talk about how to kickstart of your career as a makeup artist. And what I like about this too is that you're going to have a lifetime updates and mentorship after graduation, which is awesome, especially if you wanted to update your knowledge. And you will also receive a post-graduation support as long as you need. How awesome is that? So yeah, better yet, go ahead and check them out to learn more about the Online Makeup Academy and the programs that they offer. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!